Hi guys, just want to quick share about my little experience related to the frozen data class. So the real example, I have to quick build to mock some like an object that I should use in my application, but I have no idea of what to do and what to use. So I start googling it and found that I can use construction like named tuple. Let me explain what what did I mean. So let's create frozen data class and so so how we can use named tuple? We have to define the factory itself. So let's say super simple example factory. Oops. I forgot. Okay, name tuple. Uh, the factory and to define list of attributes of this factory, we have to put it here like a list of name and say let's say value, and then this is a factory, and for instantiating an object we have to uh, uh, like example instance example factory example factory okay, name and value like this, and let's print it out. Okay, yeah, that's it. So what I'm worried to is we can't define here the type hinting. We don't know what the type of name of and value, and okay, it's a short but and quick but not so convenient way to define some object with a name. So what's the main point? I can access to this instance, and okay, for example, can do like this. F string. Oh, sorry. wrong place for F. Oops. Boom. Okay, and I can access O. O. Mm. Like this. Yeah. That's why I need these objects. So let's write it as a Python data class. So from sys import really? Oh, okay. So I can write it like this. So and name string value integer, and then yeah, I forgot to write class t. Oh, and let's create instance ft instance ft. Good. So let's see what's going on when I try to change the one attribute like a name. Ft instance name okay. My code completion already told me that I can do it, but let's try to, yeah, frozen instance error. And that's it for now. So for today, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.